Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 5 decimal division by decimal numbers. First we in previous class we also discussed how to divide a decimal with 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000 and so on. Now how to divide a whole number in decimal. Today we study division by decimal numbers. First we 37.48 divided by 7. First 37.48 divided by 7. First we divide this number 37.48 divided by 7. Then the table of 7, how many times go in 37? How many times gone? 5 times. 35. Then subtract this number to 0. Then the whole number part is here and we start with the decimal part. First we put a decimal. Then we 4 come in downside. Understand you? The whole number part is here and we put a decimal, then we take 4 come in downside. Now the table of 7, how many times come in 24? How many times come in 24? 3 times 21. Understand you? Then subtract this. 1 take away from 4, you get 3, then 0. Which number come in downside? 8 come in downside. Now our number is 38. Then the table of 7, how many times come in 38? How many times come here? 5 times. 35. Then subtract this 3, 0. Then 3 come in remainder. We already put the decimal, therefore we put a 1 0 here. Understand you? Then again the table of 7, how many times come in 30? How many times? 4 times. 28, then 4. Then we minus this. 8 take away from 0, you get 2 here 0. Then already we have a 3 decimal place, then you stop. Okay. Then another example, 0.483 divided by 5. Another example, 0.483 divided by 5. First we divide this number. 0.483 divided by 5. First you look the whole number part here. Whole number part is 0. How many times gone here? 0 times. 0. Then subtract this 0. Then we start the decimal part. We put decimal. Then which number come in downside? 4 come in downside. The table of 5, how many times come in 4? How many times come? 0 times. How many times? We take 2 digit in upper side. We put a 0 in the quotient. How many times gone here? 0 times. 0. Then 4. Then which number come in downside? 8 come in downside. Then table of 5, how many times come in 48? How many times? 9 times 45. Then 3, 0. Which number come in downside? 3 come in downside. Now our number is 33. Then again the table of 5, how many times in 33? 6 times. 30, then 0. 3 come in remainder. Already we put a decimal in number, decimal in quotient. Therefore, we give 1 0. How many times? Now our number is 30. How many times come in here? 6 times. Then 0 0. Our answer is 0.0966. Then now division by decimal number or decimal number. Here 3.48 divided by 1.2. Listen. 3.48 divided by 1.2. Here dividend also decimal, here divisor also decimal. In this situation, first you write fraction way. Which way? Fraction way. 3.48 upon 1.2. When you write in fraction way, when the dividend and divisor is decimal. Here 3.48, here 1.2. Both are decimal. Then in this situation, first you write this number in fraction way. Which in fraction way. The dividend come in numerator, the divisor come in denominator. Then next step you check here how many highest decimal point. Highest decimal point here 2, here 1. Highest decimal point 2, here 1. Therefore, you multiply by 100. Highest decimal. Here 2 decimal place, the highest decimal place, here 1. Therefore, we multiply by 100 in numerator and denominator. You understand? Here 2 decimal place, here 1 decimal place. We take a 2 decimal place, therefore, we multiply by 100 in numerator and denominator. Understand? Then we write 34800 upon 1200. Understand? Then how many decimal place here? 2. 1, 2. Then we put a decimal here 1. We put here. Now our number is 348 upon 120. Understand? Now you divide this number. 348 divided by 120. Understand this step? Then, now the table of 120, how many times gone in 340? How many times gone? 2 times. 240. Then minus 801. Now 108 is the remainder. Then next step we put a decimal, then we take 10 here. Understand? Then 120 how many times come in 1080? How many times? 9 times. 0. Then our answer is 2.9. Understand you? Our answer question is 2.9. One more example. 0.256 divided by 1.5. Here 0.256 256 divided by 1.5. Both are in decimal. Therefore, which way you write this number? Fraction way. 0.256 upon 1.5. Okay. Then the highest, how many decimal place here? 3 decimal place. Here 1. Therefore, we multiply by which? 1000. Multiply by 1000 by numerator and denominator. Understand? Why you multiply by 1000 here? Because the how many decimal place here? 3 decimal place. 1, 2, 3 here. Here 1. Therefore, we multiply by 1000. Then our answer 256,000 upon 15000. Now put the decimal. How many here? 3. 1, 2, 3 here. Then next 1. Our number is 256 upon here 1500. Now we divide this number. Next step, we divide this number. 256 divided by 1500. Okay. Always numerator come in inside. Always numerator come in inside. Now we divide this number. The table of 1500, how many times come in 256? How many times come here? 0 times. Now our remainder is 256. Then we put a, what do you put a? Decimal. You give 10. Now our number is 2560. 1500 table is how many times gone here? 1 time. 1500. Then minus 0601. Then again we put a 1. Now our number is 10,600. 10,600, how many times go here? 7 times. How many times? 7. 0, 0. Then 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Again you put 1, 0. How many times gone here? 0 times. Then we take how many decimal place come here? 3 decimal place. Then you stop. Our answer is 0.170. Understand you? Then one more question. Now 1 by 2. This number, fraction. First you divide fraction into decimal. Many students problems in this. Which number come in inside? Numerator come in inside. Which is your numerator? 1 is your numerator. Which number come in outside? Denominator. Our denominator is 2. Understand? Now table of 2, how many times come in 1? How many times? 0 times. Okay. Now 1 come in remainder, then you put a decimal, then you give a 1 0. Now our number is 10. The table of 2, how many times come here? 5 times. Is it clear? One more question. Okay. 1 by 3. Which number come in inside? Say which number come in inside? 1 come in inside and 3 come in outside. Table of 3, how many times come in 1? How many times come? 0 times. Okay, 0, then minus 10. Then put a point, you take 1 0. Now, table of 3, how many times come in 10? 3 times, 9, then 1 0, again we take 1, give 1 0, again how many times come? 3 times, 9, again 1 come, 0 give, then 3, this is not stop here, you take up to 3 decimal place. Understand now? Okay, now how to solving the problem. Okay, the cost of $15 books rupees 75.50. Find the cost of one book. Here the cost of 15 books rupees 75.50. Find the cost of one book. Many given, one find. Many given, one find. This question is divide. Already you learned in 4th class and 5th class also. Then first the state solution. What is the first statement? The cost of 15 books is rupees 75.50. Next, the cost of one book is equal to rupees 75.50 divided by 15. Now we divide this. 75.50 divided 15. Say the table of 15. How many times gone here? 5 times. Then 0 0. Then we put a decimal. Then which number come in? 5 come in downside. How many times gone here? 0 times. Then 5. Then 50. How many times gone here? 3 times. 45. Then 50. This is in rupees. Therefore, how many decimal place you take? 2 decimal place. Then the answer is rupees 5.03. Final answer. Hence, the cost of rupees 5.03 is the cost of one book. You understand this? Okay. Then one more question. two number is the product of two numbers is 48.35. If the one number is if one number is 8.388, find the other number. Find the other number. Listen here. The product of two numbers. What is the meaning of product? Multiplication by two numbers. The result of multiplication is called product. The product of two numbers is 48.35 if one number is 8, find the other number. What do you do here? Product given, this listen here, the one number is given here, that is 8. Multiply, product means the result of multiply of two numbers. What is the meaning of product? The result of multiplication of two numbers. First number given here, we find the other number. The other number we let x. Let the other number is x. Solution. Let x is the other number is x. We don't know which number is the other number. First 8 multiply, we put a x. X means the other number. Understand you? Is equal to, the result is given here 48.35. Result is given. Then we find the x. X is equal to 48.35 divided by 8. The opposite sign of multiplication. What is the opposite sign of multiplication? Divide. Therefore, we divide the number 48.35 divided by 8. Then, first we divide this 48.35 divided by 8. How many times gone? 6 times 48. Then 0, 0, we put a decimal. Then which number come in downside? 3 come in downside. How many times gone? 0 times gone. Then 3, 5 come in downside. How many times? 4 times, 32. Then 3. Then again 0 put here. How many times gone? 3 times, 24. Then again 6, put a 0, 7 times. Then stop here. You take 3 decimal place. Our number is 6.043. Understand you? Then the other number is final answer. Hence, the other number is 6.043. Understand you? I give some homework. Do question 3 A to D, question 4 1 to 5 of exercise 5.5. Okay, thank you.